Hello everybody, I'm Deanna and welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm going to put the finishing on blocks 1 and 2. I went ahead and cut out all the finishing strips, so I'm just going to go ahead and add them since I also did the setting blocks. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add a piece here, and I got the other piece here. And these are the background here and here, and then block 1 will get these dots and we'll put them on the side, and then we'll take the strip and put it on the end, and we will repeat that same process for block 2. Block 2 gets the navy blue crosshatch. So let's get to the sewing machine. I've got my Creative Grids 18.5-inch ruler here. That way. And whoops, didn't need to turn the ruler. Okay, now we'll put on the next round of print material, and it will be the exact same process. Okay, we're going to put it on the sides. It'll be the same side that has the 2 seams. Right sides together. Okay, now let's get them trimmed. Okay, we have blocks 1 and 2 finished. These finishing strips act as sashing. And now that we have block 1 done and our setting blocks done, we can make row 1. Okay, here's what row 1 is going to look like. Okay, I can't back up far enough to show you the whole row at once, but we're going to sew this together the same way we've sewn every other blocks together. You put right sides together, sew it, and press it open. So let's get to the sewing machine. Okay, this is the row going across the bed, and you can see that the end stars hang over the bed some. So this is bigger than I thought it was going to be, and I won't need quite as much border. So that's good. I won't have to get more fabric. As you can see, it is the length of a queen size bed.